I hope this doesn't end up being me one day. There we go. Look at that. Stevie's new art piece. I'm a little bit disturbed. There's a Dremel tool over here, though.
That's how I made the holes.
Oh. Kind of looks like you're just interrogating it.
Oh yeah.
Tell me where the doll people live.
What is this, the Smurfs? I'm Gargamel?
Yep. Oh, and also we're printing something. It's a handle for the GoPro.
The GoPro is filming its own handle.
My God. Oh yeah, the GoPro is filming its own handle.
It's excited.
GoProception. Camera filming a camera. Yeah, it's a
Amazing.
GoPro handle, so I can start doing the vlogs on the GoPro. Thank you for listening.